your inner you. What's up?
My name is Pitatar, and this is my companion Opening, and together we will burn.
No, what's he, Pops?
Did I say we? I meant me. I will burn. I will power versus you.
Whatever. Is there like anything to do around here?
What?
This place is boring.
Well, we're still working on it.
Okay, so Hira sent me down to check things out. Whatever. I don't care. It's not like it matter anyway.
What's your name?
Iris. I hate it.
I think it's a pretty name.
What are you goddess of, Iris?
Hate. I wish. No, I'm just a messenger goddess. I go back and forth, and my symbol is the what? Rainbow. I hate rainbows. Like, I was into rainbows like 300 years ago, you know? And then it's like, I don't like them anymore. But they won't let me switch. So I'm stuck with the lame rainbow symbol, even though I hate it.
I like rainbows!
Listen, Iris, you go back to Olympus and tell Zeus.
I don't work for Zeus. I work for Hera.
Okay, well, you go back to Olympus and tell Hera to tell Zeus that we're going to cut off all their smoke until they surrender all their powers to the prince.
You seriously want me to tell her that?
Yep, that's what's going on.
But you can say it nicely if you want.
Whatever.
Wait,
What?
what are you doing later?
Nothing.
You want to do something?
You?
Yeah.
Are you like a bird or a human? Because I can't figure out what you're supposed to be.
What do you prefer?
I'm not gonna date a mortal.
But
You guys are lame. I'm gonna go right for her.
Are you sure you want to marry her?
Misery, agony, life is unending torment. I hate to close the gap this year. I went over to Apollo's mansion last night. He doesn't want anything to do with me, because he says I'm too young for him. I'm 347 years old. I don't understand why I gotta be treated like a kid. If he knew the real me, I know he'd like me. But he's too busy chasing after Aphrodite, who doesn't even know he exists. And she's just a cow anyway. I hate her. I wish I was a goddess something cool, like volcanoes or skateboarding. Maybe then Apollo would like me. I hate my life. It sucks that I'm immortal. I wish everybody else would die. But they can't, because they're immortal too.
I love you.
What? Well, you could be one of my worshippers if you want. I have to curse you sometimes. I just do that sometimes.
Would you go out with me if I was the richest man in the universe?
I'm more about inner beauty.
Really?
Yeah, but, wait, how rich are you going to be?
I follow what separates the gods from mankind.
Actually, the birds own it.
No, the birds built it. It was my idea. Therefore, I own intellectual property. Just like in Hollywood, the person that comes up with the idea owns it forever. No one can take it from them and sell it for millions of dollars for nothing.
Wait, what are you talking about?
The wall.
What wall?
That wall.
Oh, I was wondering what that was.
So what?
I think you're like Walmart and I'm like Macy's. Okay, so I'll just
You talk about their face. Birds rule the universe now. Okay, Hercules. Sometimes I feel like my existence is a pointless joke.
Iris!
So I'm supposed to give this to you. It's not like I have anything better to do, jerks. I hate them.
My new bride.
What?
We're getting married.
What?
I'm so happy right now.
Oh, come on. I have to marry you? I don't even get to marry someone attractive. I love you. Well, if you think I'm going to do any housework, you got another thing coming. I'm not a domestic goddess.
That's okay, sweetie. I'm the richest man in the universe now, so we'll get a maid.
We better.
I think it's gonna work out between these two. I just love love, you know.
My friends, victory is at hand.
All right, me and my friends are going to celebrate.
Honey, when you sleep, I strike.
celebrate.
Might I ask a question?
And from now on, equal rights for flightless birds.
Hooray!
Let us speak in unison to mark the occasion. We've come to the
end of our fair little play, and what do you know? The birds won the day. It just goes to show that no matter your state, you can only be brought down by birds filled with hate. Because we own the skies and we move from above, and it can affect your eyes if push comes to shove. We plead to the gods and we conquered the breeze. We trampled them all our clawed little feet.
And I'm a bird, just like the others.
You're a mammal.
A curse on your mother.
So an end to all of this fast food fried chicken. With all shots of your fingers are licked. From now on there will be no Thanksgiving carving. We'll eat you instead, and boy are we starving. So let's have one last celebration and have a great meal and toast to the nation.